Hey guys, so today I want to do a quick video and I want to show you how I wear my only slip dress 10 different ways. This is definitely such an easy and elegant look to recreate. I'm just wearing a white button up that I tied twice in the front and I paired it with some white sandals. I definitely see myself wearing this on vacation, maybe grabbing some food. Super easy. This is actually one of my favorite loungewear pieces. This is the cropped mock neck sweater by TNA. I just think that there's so many different ways to wear this, especially like I'm wearing it a little more dressed up with a slip dress and some sandals, but I could easily wear this with leggings and make it look so cute. I love the jersey fleece material. It just washes so well. And yeah, I'm wearing a size medium in this, so it does give me that off the shoulder look. It is a little boxy, but I think that's necessary for this kind of skirt. So this is definitely one of my favorite looks. I feel like a businesswoman going to a meeting in Paris. And this is definitely one of my favorite blazers. Oh, the Cherelle, we love you. So good. And the matte fabric, I think that this gives it such a nice, rich look. A staple. So cute. Vintage feels with the double-breasted buttons. So many different ways to wear it. I highly, highly recommend. And I am wearing a double extra small on it just because it does run a bit longer. little front plunge cardigan, ooh, love. So I am wearing an extra small because I bought this so long ago that I didn't really think I needed a double extra small, but I did, but it still looks cute. Love. And this is a merino wool, so not itchy at all. And I had it for a while and it really does keep its shape. I think it's so flattering. One of my favorites. I think that this whole outfit is just a dream. So I just wanted to show you another way to wear the tie cardigan. You could easily just flip it backwards and it looks so cute. I love this look. I feel like it suits me so well. It's just so young and feminine and dainty. This is definitely one of my favorite cardigans. When I saw the Evie, I needed to have her right away. I'm wearing a size extra small on this one, and it is a bit snug, but I mean, it's nothing that is too tight. If anything, the arms run a bit tighter, but I think it's definitely the merino wool material that does that. So cute. This little cardigan comes in pink too. So this is a look that I would wear to a birthday dinner. And I like the fact that I layered this underneath because I honestly sometimes am sick of wearing jackets. So this will keep me warm. I like the light color underneath, so it is a bit spring, even though it is a turtleneck. Yeah, little white belt, white sandals, and we are all set.